going on? This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Hey, imagine reading these words right here, as you see on the screen right now, and earning $200 to $1,000. Now listen, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, say that again. Yes, you can read these words that you see on the screen, and this new website is going to pay you $200, $300, up to $1,000 just by reading. Listen, a lot of people on the planet don't like to read. I get it. In high school, I hated to read books. But if they would pay me, if it was a site that would pay you right now, this is worldwide. You could be a teenager in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or 50s. You could be old. You could even have a big head. But if you can read, this site that I'm about to show you will pay you over and over again. Now listen, I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions from start to end, from A to Z, how to do this. But before we keep going here, before I show you how easy it is to make money online, just reading and getting paid in the process, go ahead and sub to the channel and smash the like button if I give you massive value. Listen, I will continue to teach you how to make money online, and I really do appreciate you guys showing me some love, hitting the sub button. Let's go! So let's get right into it right now, okay? Listen, now, let me do something. Let me show you proof that people are actually making money. Look, here's the site. It's voices.com. 30 or 45 minutes of reading, they're going to pay you $1,000 to $1,200. You see it here? Say if you want to read for 15 to 30 minutes, they're going to pay you $750 to $1,000. And I know what you're thinking, Wesley, why would a website like this will pay you to read? I'm going to explain that, so watch to the very end. Because as a bonus, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it tonight, right now, and how to get people to pay you on this site right here to do it. Does that make sense? But look, these are people, and this is how it works. This is the word count. These are the minutes based off the minutes of how many minutes you want to read. You can read for 5 minutes, 45 minutes plus. It's up to you. The more that you read, the more that you make money. Does that make sense? Now, you might say, well, Wesley, how do I get paid? Let me show you, okay? Here's all payments here. And basically, if I go to the account right here, as you can see, you'll go to your account. This is me right here. And you want to go down to account settings because you want to make sure you get paid, okay? So you want to make sure that you put in your PayPal account, or maybe you want to check, right? I live at 777 like this street at Nunya, Texas, United States. So make sure you put your PayPal email here, because this is where your checks are going to be sent over and over again as you read the information that I'm going to give you. Does that make sense? Okay, so ram this in the back of your mind. The more you read, the more you will succeed literally on this website, okay? So listen, this is what you do. You go to voices.com. That is voices.com. You go to sign up, and understand this. People around the planet are posting things such as books, such as television commercials, all types, even video games. If you're a video gamer, you're going to love this. Keep watching to the very end. It's going to blow your mind. But basically, people are paying people all around the world, such as you, to make money online, and they're going to pay you just to read for them, right? Because they can't do it for themselves, so they want people like you. And like I said before, I'm going to show you the best niche that I know right now that people are making so much money in a single category, because you have animation, audiobooks, e-learning, internet videos, podcasting, radio, telephone, and television. Listen, but it's a one category here, two actually, that get the most jobs that you can get hired like right now. And I'm going to show you how easy the process is, okay? Let's go to sign up here. That was easy. You want to click on find work as talent. Do not click on hire talent for projects, because you will make $0. Click here if you want to make money. Now, full name, whatever your name is. I'm guessing your name is Big Head, okay? Big Head, and your email is bighead@yahoo.com, right? Whatever your email is, whatever your name is, put it here in your password and submit. And then once you're in, you'll look something like this, okay? Basically, you'll see your profile here, and these are the jobs, okay? These are the jobs that you're going to apply for, and it's so simple. And keep listening, because I'm going to show you how to get selected for the jobs here, okay? Look here. Now, what I like to do, I want to make a lot of money. Comment below if you're looking for a lot of money. Smash the like button if you want to make a lot of money right now. So listen, apply for jobs like this, 900 bucks. Small Business Month, male voice, English. They're going to give you a script. And as a matter of fact, you have an app as well. Like Voices is on the app. You can download. They give you a script. You read it. You submit it. And then you get selected. Does it make sense? 27 people already reached out to this guy. But look, this is me. I don't know about you, but when I had no money and I was trying to get out of the ghetto because I'm from the south side of Houston, Texas, well, $4,400 looks good to me. So listen, apply for these jobs. Let me tell you why. Because the average person don't believe in themselves, and the average person think, well, it's going to be too difficult and too hard. Listen, apply for it. You will be so surprised that you will more likely possibly get the job. And you would just read. That's all you have to do. Does that make sense? Now listen, as promised, I'm going to show you the category that I know pays the most and it is more frequent. Let me go back here. So listen, once you have your account, this is what I want you to focus on, okay? Audiobooks. Audiobooks is, you see all these people, you're going to have your profile here, make a nice little picture of yourself, and you can do a little audio of yourself just reading anything. But audiobooks pay the most, and you'll get hired very quickly if you act now. Now remember something, there's no guarantees, but my disclaimer is this. If you never take action, if you never just do it, okay? You can watch this video, you can like this, but if you never just do it, you'll never know what you're missing. A lot of you got 9-to-5 jobs. A lot of you just watching YouTube videos. A lot of you right now pissed off because you want me to get to the point. I get it. But listen, if you never take action and just say, you know what, I'm going to sign up. Let me try it. I'm going to create a profile. It's free to do. And I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to try to get some jobs here so I can make some money right now. So audiobooks is my number one. My next one is video games, okay? Now, you might say, Wesley, okay, I'm a video gamer. So imagine being the voice to a character for a game. It's amazing, right? So you can do that as well. You can have fun if you play PS5, Xbox, whatever. But just imagine, listen, being a character to a video game. And you read a short script. That's all you do. And they're going to pay you this money over and over again. So what I want you to do, once you have your account, I want you to make your profile look pretty. How do you do that? Just model somebody that has 5 stars, like Brian Olsen or Zach Hoffman, okay? Just get one of these guys, their profiles, and just model their profile, okay? That's all you need to do. Make it look just like their profiles, okay? Then, once you have your account, apply for every job that you see. As you can see, it's plenty of jobs. You go to hiring just like this, right? And you just apply for every single job. All they want you to do is read. If you can read, you can succeed. Oh, praises to the Most High, God is the greatest. And that's it. Just keep doing this over and over again and start making money. Listen, if you want to make over $10,000 per month, I'll leave 2 videos right here. Much love. This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Later. Smash like if you got massive value. Leg out.